Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Dropouts. In this video, you will learn how to create a complete LinkedIn profile. Your LinkedIn profile is a professional landing page for you to manage your personal brand. A LinkedIn profile is a great way for you to let people know who you are, what you stand for, and what you're interested in. Your profile will be your personal storyboard where people can find you and stay updated on your activity. So make sure your profile is complete and representative of you. Currently LinkedIn homepage is open. This is newly created LinkedIn account with a complete LinkedIn profile. Now I will demonstrate you how we can create a complete LinkedIn profile. I will navigate to profile page by clicking on Me button present on the header section and then selecting the View Profile from the drop-down. Profile page gets open. Now, to create a complete LinkedIn profile you can add various sections to your profile to showcase your skills and expertise. A complete LinkedIn profile will increase your discoverability and profile search appearances. First thing you should do is add a professional profile photo. A good profile photo increases the credibility of your profile and helps you stand out from the crowd. Members with a profile photo on LinkedIn can get up to 21 times more profile views than members without a photo. To add photo, click on the camera icon in your introduction section. Note, if you've already added a profile photo, you won't see the camera icon. Add photo dialog will open. Click Upload Photo to select an image from your computer. After uploading the photo, you can crop the photo, use photo filters, adjust, change the position and size, rotate, or select the visibility of your profile photo. Click Save Photo. Once you do so your photo will be added. You can also add a background image to personalize your profile. To add background image, click the camera icon on the upper right corner of your introduction section. Click Edit Profile Background to select an image from your computer and click Open. Click Apply. Once you do so the photo will be uploaded automatically. Now next thing you should do is write a summary. The About section of your profile should express your mission, motivation, and skills to people who view your profile. To add summary, click on Add Profile section button. Add to Profile dialog will open. Select Add About present underscore. Edit dialog will open. Write the summary and click Save. Once you do so, summary section will be added to your profile page. Now next thing you should do is add all your education. To add the education, click on Add Profile section button. Select Add Education present underscore. Add Education dialog gets open and then enter all the details like school, degree, field of study, start date, end date etc. Click Save. Once you do so, Education section will be added to your profile page. Now next thing you should do is add all your relevant work experiences. Click on Add Profile section button. Add to Profile dialog will open. Select Add Position present underscore. Add Experience dialog gets open and then enter all the details like title, employment type, company name, location, start date, end date etc. Click Save. Once you do so, Experience section will be added to your profile page. Now should add relevant skills. To add skills, click on Add Profile section button. Select Add Skills present underscore. And then enter the skill and click Save. Once you do so skills sections will be added to your profile. Now you add licenses and certifications. To add licenses and certifications, click on Add Profile section button. Add to Profile dialog will open. Add licenses and certifications present under Recommended. Add licenses and certifications dialog gets open and then enter all the details like name, issuing organization, issue date, expiration date, credential ID etc. Click Save. Once you do so, Licenses and Certifications section will be added to your profile page. You can also add feature, courses. Now you should add your project details. To add projects section, click Add Projects present under Additional. Add Project dialog will open. Enter the required details like project name, start date, end date, project URL etc. Click Save. Once you do so, Project section will be added to your profile page. You should also add languages. To add languages, click on Add Profile section button. Add to Profile dialog will open. Add languages present under Additional. Add languages dialog will open. enter the language and proficiency. Click Save. Once you do so, language section will be added to your profile page. At last, add the contact info. To add the contact info, click on Add Profile section button. Add to Profile dialog will open. Add contact info present under Additional. Edit contact info dialog will open. Enter details like phone number, address, birthday, etc. Click Save. Once you do so, contact info will be added to your profile page. You can also add volunteer experience, patents, publications, test scores, causes, honors, and awards, etc. if you have anything to add to these sections. Now your profile looks complete and you can get recruiters' attentions and you can get your dream jobs. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos.